Welcome to HWM Aston Martin, and welcome to this 2015 on a 65 plate DB9 GT Coupe. This car's finished in lightning silver and has covered 27,000 miles from new with a full Aston Martin service history, and is available on the Timeless scheme or through our website hwmastonmartin.co.uk. Let's have a bit of a walk around, look at some of the optional content on the vehicle, and also give you a talk through the interior. So although it's covered 27,000 miles, this particular DB9 GT has had the front end filmed in PPF, so there isn't any signs of sort of road rashing or chipping or anything like that on the front of the vehicle, so it looks in great condition for its age and mileage. It has been finished with sort of like the silver finish on the outside, so we have the bright finish grille on the front of the vehicle. We also have the brushed aluminium bonnet louvers, along with the bright finish side strakes as well. And also on this particular DB9 GT, we also have the V12 fender badging on the side as well. Coming onto the wheels, we have the five spoke or five twin spoke graphite and diamond turn finish wheels, just to sort of darken down the mood of the car, because lightning silver on its own can be quite a bright colour. And we also have the grey brake calipers sat behind the wheel there as well. Moving down the side of the vehicle, we have the black window surround, or the daylight opening, as Aston would call it. And then around the back of the vehicle, we have the clear rear lights with the black surround, which was the more modern feature for the later plate cars, along with the chrome tailpipes on the back of the vehicle. We'll take a bit of a delve on the interior, and we'll show you some of the colour and trim options that were available on there. So welcome to the interior of this lovely DB9 GT. So the finish of this vehicle is done in Obsidian black leather, but we have a fine contrast stitch on the car, not a coarse but a fine, and the welting that ran down the centre of the dash and is also on the seat is matched to leather colour. DB9 GT also had these beautiful fluted leather seats with the perforation, which is then matched across on the roof lining of this vehicle. We have the fluted Alcantara roof lining. Just looks super special on the inside and feels great as well. We also have the interior black piano trim pack, which gave you the waterfall, the centre console, and also the door pulls. And then we had a satin chrome dial and switches as well, so across the centre of the dash. So just to give you that little bit of a contrast on everything that you've got. We also have three-way adaptive suspension on DB9 GT, along with the sport mode, and a few other features that are worth noting is they did change a few items inside the car. So you have the much later Vanquish dim unit, so a lot more aggressive, quite dark, and a little bit different to what you found on DB9 at that time as well. You also have the haptic feedback dash, and we also have memory seats on the driver and passenger side as well. If you want to get in touch with us about this vehicle, do give us a call here at the showroom, or you can inquire through our website, again at hwmastonmartin.co.uk. Thank you.